Hey everyone, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial, and please subscribe my channel. I need your support. You support me while I inspired you to make a new video. So today we are create this wedding card design. Let's start. Open Photoshop, press Ctrl N to open new file, name is wedding card design, width is 13 centimeters, and height is 18 centimeters, resolution is 300, click OK. First we set guidelines, go to the view option, and select new guide, and set vertical and horizontal, position 50%. Make another one, select new guide, and set vertical position 0.4 centimeters, hit enter, then set horizontal guideline, position is 0.4 centimeters. Now change foreground color, type this code. Click OK. Press Alt backspace, to fill, double-click the background layer to unlock, and name is background. Click OK. Click this icon to create a new layer. And change layer name left border. Select rectangle tool, and make rectangle here, like this. Press Ctrl backspace, then press Ctrl D to deselect. Go to the effect icon, select gradient overlay. Select black and white gradient. And change first stock color, type this code. Hit enter, then change second stock color, type this code. Hit enter. Select style reflected. Angle is 90 degree, and scale is 100%, click OK, press Ctrl J to duplicate. Select move tool. Hold shift. Drag right side like this, and this layer is right border. Now we make up and down border. Create new layer to click this icon, select rectangle tool, and make rectangle here, press Ctrl backspace, then press Ctrl D to deselect. Select right border layer, go to the layer effect icon, hold Alt and left click, drag here up border layer, double click on gradient overlay. Change angle 90 to 0 degree. Hit OK. Layer name up border. Select move tool. Press Ctrl J to duplicate layer, and drag down. And layer name is down border. Select background layer. Now we add rows, select rows image. Drag in Photoshop, you can download it from link in the description. Press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align center. Press Ctrl D, press Ctrl plus to zoom in. Now you can see this rows is not look good, so we can add this rows here. Select first rectangle tool, change normal to fixed size, height and weight is 2.5 centimeters. Press Ctrl R to activate ruler. Now you see this cursor, place them at horizontal 6.7 centimeters, and vertical 7.7 centimeters. Click here. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl V, select move tool, press Ctrl T, and change position. X is 968.2 and Y is 670.3 pixel. Change size H and W is 97.6%, hit enter. Select eraser tool, and erase extra rows area. Like this. Select move tool, now hold Ctrl. Select both rows layer, press Ctrl E, then press Ctrl T, change height and weight is 76%, set rotation -180 degree, hit enter, and place here, and drag up the rose layer. Change opacity 50%. Press Ctrl J, then press Ctrl T, press right click select flip horizontal, and place right side, hit enter, make another copy press Ctrl J then Ctrl T, right click select flip vertical, and place right down side, hit enter, Ctrl J, Ctrl T, right click flip horizontal, and place left down side, hit enter. Now add bubbles image, you can download it from link in the description. Press Ctrl T and change size. W and H is 416%, and rotation is 90 degree, hit enter, press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align center. Ctrl D, and drag down bubble layer at background layer, and set 15% opacity. Change blend mode normal to vivid light. Background is complete. Now we add text. Select text tool. Font is Arial, and size is 10 pints. And color is white. Press Ctrl A, add warp text to click this icon. Style is arc, select horizontal, and bend is +23%, press enter. And type here, and second font is fake script, font size is 31 pints. Press Ctrl A, go to the character icon and set leading 28 pints. Press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align. Type here, groom and bride name. Groom and bride, size is 80 pints. And symbol size is 30 pints. Select groom text, now go to the character icon, set tracking is -20%, then select and symbol, set leading 20 pints, select bride text. Leading is 62 pints and tracking is -20%. Select Move Tool, press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align, press Ctrl D, select Text Tool, and change this text leading 28 to 25 pint. And here bride parent's name, same font same size, type here wedding date, font is fake script size is 20 pints. Date font is Arial size is 12 pints, and here wedding and reception, fake script and size 20, Arial size 10 pints. Select Move Tool, and select this wrap text. Hold Alt, and drag down here, press T for Text Tool, and type here. Press Ctrl A, and go to the wrap text icon, and set blend -23%, press enter. Select Move Tool, and select first text layer, hold Shift then click last text layer, press Ctrl G to group, press Ctrl A, click this icon to align center, press Ctrl D, press Ctrl H to hide guidelines, select Text Tool, and select this wrap text, set tracking 100 both wrap text. Press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align. Front is complete, and you can also change on that text here, what you want. I am also make two more text format, like this. Now we make back, press Ctrl N, create new project, same size, hit enter. Then open front design file, hold Ctrl, select background bubbles, border lines and rose layers, drop here, from back design file. Select background and bubbles layer, press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align. Press Ctrl D, hide rose image to click this icon, then select up border layer, press Ctrl T and change W is 80%, hit enter, and down border W also 80%, select right border layer, press Ctrl T, and change H is 30% and left border also H is 30%, select last border layer, hold shift and click up border layer, press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align center, press Ctrl D, press Ctrl plus to zoom in, select up border layer, hold shift and place up, select down layer, hold shift and place down, then left to left side and right to right side, like this, press Ctrl 0, select any border layer, and double click this effect icon, go to the gradient overlay, mark reverse, and unmark align with layer. Angle is 90 degree, and scale is 100%. Hit enter, then hold Alt, and drop effects all border layers, like this. Then unhide right upside rows, to click the eye icon, press Ctrl T and change the size W and H is 36%, hit enter, and place here, do same, select all rows layer, and set 36% height and weight, and drag out the frame corner, like this. Select first rows layer, then hold shift and select last border layer, press Ctrl G to group, then press Ctrl T. And set the rotation -5 degree. Hit enter. Now add text, select text tool, font is fake script, and size is 60 pints, type here. And tracking is 0. Hit enter, select move tool, press Ctrl A, and click this icon to align, press Ctrl D, then press Ctrl T, and set -5 degree. And select text tool, type here date, font is Arial and size is 12. Press Ctrl A, open character setting, and set the tracking 80, select move tool, press Ctrl T, and set -5 degree also, hit enter, select both text layer to hold Ctrl, press Ctrl G, then press Ctrl A, and align center. Wedding card design is complete, and you can also add here groom and bride name. So if you learn something, then hit like button, and please subscribe my channel. I need your support. You support me while I inspired you to make a new video. Thanks for watching.